see my videos, this is dual characters. Honorable Dr. Satyanarayan sir and myself, his student, he calls me Guruji, but real Guru is Dr. Satyanarayan. He is a very practical man. So most of the time we are together friends. So what I have learned from this great man, patience, patience, patience. I keep on learning from great people. Maybe anybody, the Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, Buddha, Vivekananda. They all say the greatest asset of a person is patience. And Dr. Satyanarayan has been a very close student of Ralph Waldo Emerson. He taught us, learn the pace of nature, its secret is patience. And Napoleon Hill's student Friendo Carnegie says, it is not your hustling, bustling, energy, enthusiasm and all these demonous aggression which will make you successful. It's your patience. Time and space that is governed by some kind of, universal forces also. So if you are impatient, things will not materialize. But Satyababu is patient. He is never impatient. Calmness of mind is the real power. You can abuse him, you can insult him, you can hurt him, but chances are rare because he will not go to everyone. He has a galaxy of some great successful friends. They are settled in America and there are very few in India who are his friends. I am the only poorest man who is his friend. So there is a lot more to learn from Dr. Satyanarayan sir. And one of the greatest things what he learned from Diogenes, the dog, detach yourself. Having the power of will, because his great son Surgeon Sunil and Dr. Mayuri in America, he can afford anything. But he drives the simple car, he stays in the very humble house, because he knows these are not going to add feather in the crown of his greatness. Simplicity, plain living and high thinking. Throughout life he has practiced it. That's why he was able to afford the highest education in Indian medical sciences to his children. So always a glorifying character and fortunate. The moment he comes to me, I feel happy. There is some kind of Indian mythology says Satyanarayan Bhagwan. So he is Satyanarayan Bhagwan. God bless you, sir. Live long. True servant to the mankind. And one of the greatest affinity of this great man towards medical profession, he says, when everyone comes to end of his life journey, his body should be handed over to AIMS, adjoining to his house. New house is coming, 80 feet wide road. There is only one obstruction, is railway line. Otherwise, the road I am traveling, this is Warangal highway. His house is just some few meters from that Warangal highway. So best of luck to you, sir. Live hundreds and hundreds of years, because people like you are rare. And there is some kind of prediction, like mother, like son. He's just like his mother, one of the wisest lady, most hardworking. Remember, why man is not wise? Because of his education, because of his observation, learning from the nature and universal forces. The hardest working lady, the purest heart, the most compassionate and kind, affectionate attitude towards everyone. Being his friend, the mother used to also bless me, touch my forehead and bless me, long live Virender. So thank you, Satyababu. Your company is really my might and strength, because so many people have betrayed me in my life, not only outsiders but even inner circle, closest people. But he the man who stands like a rock. Anytime he comes, he brings something so that I can survive. Some vegetables, some fruits. Even yesterday he brought some cereals also. May long live, but don't misunderstand me. It is his affection and kindness and compassion. It is nothing like that he gives me anything because he knows he is a poor man. That is not there. He treats me just like his elder brother, and he also honors me by calling him Guruji. But real Guru is Dr. Satyanarayan. Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Thank you, Satyababu.